XRP burn rate doubled here over the last 30 days. What does it mean for price? I got your back. We also have a court approving another lawsuit regarding Ripple Labs. The difference is this isn't coming from the SEC. This is coming from XRP holders. In Celsius, yes, the herpes that just won't go away is about ready to screw over the altcoin market. $170 million worth of altcoins ready to get liquidated. And if you want to know what news out there could propel XRP back into the green, it's got to deal with FOMC minutes. That's what we're waiting for today. Bitcoin sitting at 30,406, down 2%. Last 24. ETH 1911, down 2.5%. XRP 47.7, down 2.17%. While XLM, we talked about it in video after video after video. These rallies will not last. There's not enough cash to go around. Money supply is tight and expensive, and there was no news driving this current rally. XLM down 3.7%, 10.1 cents. Fed FOMC minutes released today. What to expect? It's all about expectations of how much more they have to raise rates. If the minutes come out today and they're like, yo, these reports have come out actually pretty good, we might not have to raise rates as high. Markets can go back into the green. But if these FOMC minutes are released several weeks after the meeting, and they're released and they say, hey, no, we think more pain is going to come. We did take a pause now, but we're going to hit you more and more and more and more. Then expect the markets to go red. As those minutes get released, I'll be sure to share it with you. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. You ever got the herp and it goes away and then it comes back, it goes away and then it comes back, and then you score a date with this hot chick, right? She's way out of your league. You're a 6 and she's like a 9. But then you get nervous a few days before that date and the herp comes back. That's Celsius. Celsius gets the green light to convert 170 million altcoins into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm telling you, Mashinsky and Celsius are going to over the crypto market left and right. He will be screwing crypto holders over until the day he dies. Crypto lending company Celsius received approval from the judge overseeing its bankruptcy proceedings to sell its major holdings in altcoins. These include assets such as ADA, Matic, Sol, and others. The sell-off began on July 1st, marking a significant development in the company's efforts to resolve its financial situation. According to court documents, and I got them, and I'm going to show them to you. From last December, Celsius was in control of substantial amounts of various altcoins. These included 90 million Matic, 103 million ADA, 161,000 Sol, 3.3 million Link, 1.8 million Polkadot, 200,000 Litecoin, and 106,000 AVE as of November 22nd. The combined value of these positions exceeded 170 million. They are liquidating it, converting it into Bitcoin and Ethereum so they can pay back their creditors. Why are they doing this? Liquidity reasons. It's easier to sell Bitcoin and Ethereum than it is these alts. There's more liquidity in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Oh man, you guys want that chart? Here we go. As always, any article you see in this video will be linked where everyone in the description below. Bitcoin, USDC, Matic. We've got some XLM, some BNB, some SRM, some AVE, FTT. Of course, they got FTT. Litecoin, whole bunch on here. You're welcome to check it out yourself. Analyst says that $100 per XRP is inevitable as the XRP burn rate doubles over the last 30 days. No. You need more money to make this possible. We are not back in the times of 2020 and 2021 when money printer go burr, when we were all getting stimmy checks and all that stuff. Now, has the burn rate doubled? Yes. Why has the burn rate doubled? Well, it has to do with them deleting accounts. Every time they delete an account, it's a burn of 2 XRP. The burn rate has shown consistency over the past month, implying a potential upward trend. Specifically, the recent 247,000 burned XRP is more than double the figure obtainable over the past month, according to a series of tracking. The analysts had constantly tracked the burn rate of XRP and updated the community from the last 5 months back when the average incineration was about 2,800 per day. No, you will not see XRP hit 100. You need monetary conditions to change. This is mostly a result of XRPL account deletions. Each account deletion burns 2 XRP. In June 2023, PolyNX alone deleted 85,000 old XRPL accounts, which burned 171,000 XRP. They have finished deleting accounts, and here is that report for you. XRP holders win the right to sue Ripple. This is not good. All right, let's get to this. So there's a court case out in California with Zakhanov. In a significant development, the U.S. District Court in California has granted XRP investors the right to proceed with their lawsuit against Ripple, alleging the sale of unregistered securities. Now, the unregistered securities action we already got from the SEC. This is now coming from holders. Holders are pissed because they feel like they were misled. They feel like they weren't told all of the details, right? And that's what this is all about. Hey, were you explained how risky it is? Were you explained how it worked? And if you weren't, well, then there's a problem. The court's decision made on June 30th allowed an investor class to proceed with their claims against the company. CEO Brad Garlinghouse and subsidiary XRP Dose. In the case known as Akinov versus Ripple Labs, revolves around allegations that Ripple conducted a scheme to raise hundreds of millions of dollars by selling XRP to retail investors. Judge Hamilton of the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California certified the investor class, saying that they meet the necessary requirements for certification. Ripple had challenged the certification, arguing the plaintiffs failed to adequately protect the investors in the class. However, the court determined that the merits of whether XRP is a security will be consistent for all class members. So yes, we now have holders of XRP been given the right to go after Ripple Labs for unregistered securities. So now Ripple Labs is facing an assault from the SEC. Now they're facing an assault from XRP holders themselves. Pissed, mostly because they probably bought at the peak and lost quite a bit. XRP price action, no, red candlestick right here. Not good. Volume was a little soft over July 4th. We did see a move over here the last few days. Obviously could not hold that. What are we waiting for? FOMC meeting minutes. That will let us know if we get more green or if we get more red. Now, when we look at the move of XRP here over the last couple weeks, you can see we're still fairly range bound. Nothing is going to heat up until we get closer to that 50-cent mark, and you're not going to see the buying pick up until we get closer to the 45-cent mark. Near term wise here, we're looking at resistance just above that 45. 45.2 is where we've been seeing a lot of this action taking place. But right now, we're going to keep an eye on FOMC minutes to see if this sparks a rally with XRP. So Celsius, the gift that keeps on giving, is about to burn another 170 million tokens, with XLM being on that list. That whole list, like I said before, is linked in the description below. Check it out so that you're not caught off guard if you see some weird movement happening of some of your favorites out there. FOMC minutes come out today, and we're expecting them to be negative. Fingers crossed they're positive. But the expectation from these minutes are Jerome Powell and the Fed saying, hey, you know what? We got more rate hikes coming. We took a pause just to see what was happening, but we're going to hit you with more and even more and more. If that's the case, expect some continuous red, because then the markets are going to be waiting for Jerome Powell at their next FOMC meeting to raise rates yet again. XRP now is facing an onslaught from not only the SEC, but XRP holders that are disgruntled and going after Ripple Labs for the sale of unregistered securities. I got up super early today. Puppies are in the background making a trouble. Getting some pre-burn in so I could get some cardio in. You cool cats, though, have a great rest of your day.